Hi, I'm Dr. Brandon from Exodus Health, and I wanted to share you this month's Body Signals series that we have going on. It is weight loss. It's the big thing this time of year, right? It's May, bathing suit season's coming around, bikinis. We want to look good, right, in the summer and have those things. And to look good and feel good is an important thing. It helps drives us, but it's not how we get healthy. And so we want to be able to help you not only lose that weight, look better, feel better, but we want you to get healthy in the process. And so this month's series is called Get 15 Pounds Healthier in 15 Weeks. And so this will be a series of time where we're going to be educating you, giving you tools and resources. Every week we're going to have handouts for you with research that is going to be relevant to those topics, and also testimonials from people in our practice who have seen these amazing results. Because if we're truly honest about when we gain extra weight or fat on our bodies, fat is actually sickness going on in the body. It's where toxins live. And it's the number one cause, or the linchpin for the three main disease processes, the chronic diseases: your heart disease, your diabetes, and cancer. So this is such an important topic, such an important thing that's going to help you switch the switch on your life and on your health. And so please join us, engage in the office, read the articles that we're going to be giving to you, and then also come to our workshop at the end of the month. We have that on our calendars. You'll be able to check on our social media, sign up at the front desk to join us for our advanced workshop on Get 15 Pounds Healthier in 15 Weeks.